Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm going to concentrate on the precious metal market today in a short little video. So I'm going to take a look at a top-down view of silver and gold and just tell you what I'm thinking in terms of kind of long-term and short-term outlook. So here is the silver, this is the daily count that I'm working with for a long time. So off the kind of the most recent extreme low back in 2015, December 2015, I think we had an impulsive move, a five-wave move up in wave one, and I think ever since then we've been just going through the doldrums and correcting to the downside. Interesting to note that we've had a big bull market in risk assets throughout this decline in precious metals. Okay, so I think we've got a probable A, triangle B, and then you could either count that as a five-wave move lower or a three-wave move, depending on how you feel on the day. So I think we could have either a pretty normal or excuse me, we could have a pretty simple three-wave move complete at wave 2, and I'm looking at an impulse, a lower degree impulse wave now completing in a 1-2 pattern again. So that's the daily chart. Let's get to the 4-hour chart. On that 1-2 pattern, I got 5 waves up into wave 1, and another 3-wave, kind of a pretty complex move. Or a pretty, let's say, long drawn out process in this corrective wave 2. And on Friday then we got a nice bounce back up above the 50 period moving average again. So and it's a pretty solid bounce. It looks impulsive, and after a kind of a very dreary and dragged out corrective move, it's just the kind of action that might twist or turn this market back upwards again. So let's get into the hourly chart and see what that's kind of looks like. Here's that 3-wave move down, A, B, possible kind of ending a diagonal pattern, wave C, maybe. Over the last few weeks, this has been, let's say, frustrating, to say the least. The kind of so many false starts within here. But this week we kind of pushed to one final new low along that lower trend line and then bounced on Friday. And we could be seeing the formation of a 5-3 pattern up off that low. And if we do, I think that'll kind of give the, if not the all clear, definitely a signal towards the upside again. So that is silver, and it is quite similar in gold, if not much the same. Although we could have a few, let's say, a few more impulse waves to the upside in play in gold. So that's again the most recent extreme low back in December 2015 again. We could have a wave 1, 2, 1, 2, and then maybe a 1, 2, so 3 degrees of 1, 2 waves again. You could also view this as wave 1 up and then an A, B, kind of a running flat wave 2 maybe. And then up off that low again, we could have a 1, 2. So it's how would you say, what's a a flock of 1, 2, a flock of impulses to the upside. Okay, so let's get into the 4-hour chart and kind of pull apart that recent one. I'm looking at wave 1, 2, an extended wave 3, and then a short kind of correction in wave 4 and wave 5. You could call that previous wave 3 there and wave 4, depending on how you want to look at it. A wave A, a B, and then another possible diagonal in wave C to complete wave 2. So 3-wave move, ABC. We didn't quite make the 50% retracement before bouncing on Friday, so we'll see what the kind of alternates are for that. It could be an A, B, C still ongoing with that bounce on Friday, part of a C wave of wave 4. Maybe silver is leading the way on this one. As for an impulsive pattern off that low. But I still think it's worthwhile looking up in general, because of the extended corrections, the level of bearishness that's against the pushing against the precious metals right now, and again completing patterns to the upside in the stock market again. So if the fear trade does let's say we get a bullish move off the low, which may be the first indicator that the fear may be about to re-enter the general let's say equity markets and risk assets in general. So in gold, looking for a possible signal this week. Can we push that out there? If it happens, you'll hear it here first. So thanks again for watching. It's been a short little video. If you want to get nightly updates, head over to the website, check out the links in the description, and we'll see you on the website on Monday evening. Have a great weekend. God bless. Bye-bye.